Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The Best Player Retro Arcade is probably one of the most exciting and nostalgic ways to relive your favorite classic video games, offering a tangible connection to the golden age of arcades right in your own home. Imagine the thrill of the joystick, the glow of the screen, and the iconic sounds that defined a generation, all encapsulated in a beautifully designed machine that's as much a statement piece as it is a gaming console. This isn't just about playing games, it's about experiencing them the way they were meant to be played, with authentic controls and a vibrant display that brings pixelated worlds back to life with stunning clarity and responsiveness, making every session a journey back in time filled with fun and friendly competition. Number 5. My Arcade Retro Machine Playable Mini Arcade. Get ready for endless fun with 200 preloaded retro-style games. It includes a variety of genres like puzzle, racing, and sports, ensuring hours of entertainment for kids. This miniature arcade cabinet stands at 5.75 inches tall, making it the perfect size for travel or fitting into small spaces. It operates on 3 AA batteries, sold separately, so you can take the fun with you anywhere. Experience your favorite games on a 2.5-inch full-color screen. It offers a much better visual experience compared to traditional black and white displays. Enjoy immersive audio with the built-in speaker. You can also easily adjust the volume to your preference. What we like. This one comes with 200 preloaded games, offering hours of fun. Its miniature size makes it perfect for travel or small spaces. If you are looking for a portable and classic arcade experience that doesn't require a power outlet, this is a great choice. What people say. Performs well. Uses 3 AA batteries, need a small screwdriver for it. The screen is amazing and the setup is easy. Good size, can easily grip it in my hand, female, as reference. 4 levels of volume. Good button spacing. 200 games. It's really simple to just power on and play a game with a joystick, not a smartphone with ads, things to buy to get to the next level, etc., just simple games. Number 4. P30S Handheld Retro Game Console for Kids. Introducing the P30S, a handheld game console designed just for kids. Its arcade-like appearance and comfortable grip make it instantly appealing and easy to play. Enjoy an excellent visual and auditory experience with its 3.0-inch high-definition screen and clear speaker sound. It's small, lightweight, and perfect for on-the-go gaming. Dive into a world of fun with 220 preloaded retro games, including entertainment, sports, and adventure. Playing these games helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and problem-solving. The built-in 860 mAh rechargeable battery means uninterrupted playtime. No more frequent battery changes, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and extended gaming sessions. This handheld game toy is a fantastic surprise for children, teens, and even adults. It's the ultimate gift for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. Designed with children in mind, its game settings cater to their interests and psychology, ensuring maximum engagement and enjoyment. What we like. It boasts 220 games on a vibrant 3.0-inch HD screen, with a kid-friendly design and ergonomic grip. The long-lasting rechargeable battery means uninterrupted play, perfect for outdoor adventures. If you need a gaming device that's easy for kids to handle, provides a great visual experience, and offers extended playtime without constant battery changes, this is the one. What people say. With 220 preloaded retro games, there's never a dull moment. It brings back that classic arcade feel while keeping kids completely entertained for hours. The 3.0-inch LCD screen is bright and clear, making gameplay easy on the eyes, and the compact size is perfect for little hands. The build quality is solid and feels durable, which is important for a device made for kids. Battery life has been very good, lasting several hours before needing to be recharged, and charging is quick and easy. Number 3. Basic Fun Ms. Pac-Man Retro Mini Arcade. Relive the golden age of gaming with this classic arcade experience. It brings back the authentic 80s graphics, sounds, and gameplay you remember. Experience the thrill of the original with its authentic joystick control. The graphics and sounds are just as exciting as you remember them. We've upgraded the screen to be brighter, offering an even better gameplay experience. Get ready for more fun and excitement. It comes with 3 AA batteries included, so you can start playing right away. Perfect for anyone aged 8 and up. This is a perfect gift for fans and collectors. Share the joy of this timeless classic with a new generation. What we like. This offers an authentic Ms. Pac-Man experience with classic graphics, sounds, and gameplay. It features an authentic joystick and a new brighter screen for enhanced fun. If you're a fan of Ms. Pac-Man or want to share a beloved classic with a new generation, this is a must-have. What people say. The game is very playable, and the mazes change just like the arcade game. You even get intermissions after 2, 3, and 4 screens. Classic arcade game with game music. Loud volume. Number 2. My Arcade Gamer V Portable. Introducing the My Arcade Gamer V Portable, a handheld gaming system packed with 220 retro-style games. Just turn it on and dive into a world of adventure. Explore a vast library of classic games, from thrilling action to challenging puzzles and exciting races. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Experience your favorite games on a bright, 2.4-inch full-color LCD screen. It's backlit, so you can play anywhere, anytime. Designed with simple, arcade-style controls, it's incredibly easy to pick up and play. Mastering the games is quick and fun for all ages. Its lightweight and compact design makes it the ideal companion for travel or everyday commutes. Plus, the adjustable volume control ensures a pleasant experience for everyone around. What we like. Featuring 220 preloaded retro games, this device has a 2.4-inch crystal clear color LCD screen. Its lightweight and compact size make it ideal for travel or on-the-go entertainment. If you want a simple, easy-to-master arcade experience that fits in your pocket and includes volume control for peace of mind, consider this option. What people say. The screen is bright and clear, making the retro games look fantastic. It has a good selection of built-in games, offering hours of entertainment. The controls are responsive and feel authentic to classic arcade joysticks. Number 1. SJ at JX Arcade Game DIY Kit. Relive the golden age of gaming by building your very own arcade machine. This kit provides everything you need to bring your retro gaming dreams to life. Experience seamless gameplay with our zero-delay USB encoder. It ensures your commands are registered instantly, offering a competitive edge in every game. Enjoy the satisfying feel of our linear black switches. They offer a medium-stiff, non-clicky experience, tested for reliability up to 50 million cycles. Take control with the included Sanwa-style joystick. Its 8-way directional input and 4 micro switches provide precise and responsive movement for any game. Get started in minutes with our plug-and-play design. No drivers are needed, simply connect your buttons and joysticks, and you're ready to play. This versatile kit is compatible with a wide range of systems, including PC, Raspberry Pi, Android, and more. It's perfect for MAME, JAMA, and NES emulators. What we like. This is a DIY kit designed for building your own arcade controls, featuring a zero-delay USB encoder and original mechanical keyboard switches. It's perfect for enthusiasts looking to customize their gaming setup for MAME, Raspberry Pi, or PC. If you're a tinkerer who loves building and wants a truly personalized retro gaming experience with high-quality components, this kit is for you. What people say. The buttons are of a plastic but look resistant. To the touch they are very soft and do not make much noise. The lever is a square restrictor. It works on my Raspberry Pi. It is easy to connect and install. Installation was a breeze, with simply pushing the buttons through the cabinet case holes and securing them with the supplied nuts. This allows for a secure fit for quite a range of cabinet thicknesses. At the same time, the buttons are short enough that fitting them into a relatively shallow case is still possible. Wiring is impossibly easy with the supplied cables. I notice no input latency, and the joysticks and buttons just feel right, exactly how I remember them from my youth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.